Today we're going to be looking at how to convert yards into feet and feet into yards. We have a couple of examples that we're going to work through together here, so let's get started. For question number 1, we can see that we're being asked to convert 5 yards into feet. And as we can see up top here highlighted in yellow, 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So for question number 1, when we're converting 5 yards into feet, that means that we have 5 equal groups of 3 feet. So in order for us to convert those yards into feet, we're going to multiply the value of our yards, which in this case is 5, by 3. And when we multiply 5 times 3, we get 15. So when we convert 5 yards into feet, we get 15 feet. Now moving on to question number 2, where this time we're being asked to convert 15 yards into feet. So since we have 15 yards here, that means that we have 15 equal groups of 3. So to convert these yards into feet, we're going to multiply the value of our yards by 3. And when we multiply 15 times 3, we get 45. So when we convert 15 yards into feet, we get 45 feet. Now moving on to question number 3, where this time we're being asked to convert 21 feet into yards. And remembering our conversion, there's 3 feet for every yard. So in order for us to convert these 21 feet into yards, we're going to be dividing the value of our feet by 3 in order to convert those feet into yards. Well, when we divide 21 by 3, we get 7. So when we convert 21 feet into yards, we get 7 yards. Now moving on to question number 4, where this time we're being asked to convert 90 feet into yards. So since there's 3 feet for every yard, we're going to be dividing the value of our feet by 3 in order to convert those feet into yards. Well, when we divide 90 by 3, we get 30. So when we convert 90 feet into yards, we get 30 yards. So hopefully by now you understand how to convert yards into feet and feet into yards. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.